Hello everyone, this is Shirley. We are professional plastic injection mold, die casting tool, and molding production manufacturer in China. As you know, mold is a custom-made product. It's just like a semi-finished product, which you cannot sell them in the shop directly with a price. But sometimes we did receive some inquiries and RFQ from some customers, and they just emailed me and saying, Shirley, we want to make this product shown in the attached pictures. Please send me your price and lead time as soon as possible. Unfortunately, we cannot quote them only based on the pictures, as it requires of a highly technical and skillful machining process. Besides, there are a lot of factors can affect mold making price. You can watch this video about top 9 factors affecting tool making price. But today, I'd like to tell you what information and details you need to send to us before we quote. Number 1, please send me your 3D product design drawings. STP, IGS, XD are the most common 3D drawings format, as we need to measure the product sizes, check the product structure to decide the mold structure, whether the mold needs to make sliders or lifters, and double check if the drawing needs to make some corrections before tool making, such as product structure issues and draft angle problems, etc. So please don't send me the pictures to quote, as we can't check this information by pictures. Number 2, please send me your 2D product drawings. CAD and PDF files are preferred. Here is a 2D drawing from one of my customers. This is the perfect 2D drawing. We can see the tolerance of the sizes and the surface finishing of each side, such as veneer texture or polishing. They also stated with critical dimensions which need to be very careful during machining. Both 2D and 3D product design drawings need to be provided by the customer. But if you don't have any of the drawings except some samples, don't worry, we provide product design service. Please send us a sample by FedEx or DHL, and we will quote the product design cost to you once it's arrived, and we will make the product design drawings as per the samples. If you want to make some corrections to the drawing, it's totally fine. Just to let us know how and where you want to correct it. Meanwhile, we will send the design drawings to you for approval once it's finished. Below, detailed information are related of tool making cost, so you need to let us know as well. Number 3, please email me how many cavities do you want to make, which means how many parts do you want to make in one mold. Number 4, please email me which steel do you want us to quote, such as P20, H13 hardened, S136, 1.2343, etc. Number 5, please email me whether the mold will export to your country for production or mold stay in our factory for production. If you want the mold export to your company, then please let us know what mold standard do you want us to make, such as DME or Haskell. Number 6, if the product needs to make hot runner system, then please let us know which brand of hot runner system do you want to make, such as Inco, Moldmaster, Sanative, Udo, Husky, etc. Number 7, product surface finishing requirements, such as polishing, mirror polishing, or veneer texture, etc. Number 8, what's the plastic material for the product? For example, ABS, PC, PP, TPE, or PVC, and so on. So if you want to know more information about plastic material, please watch this video. 20 common plastic materials which are used for plastic injection mold. Above information are the basic information we need to get from you before we quote. And you need to be very familiar with the tool making. But if you have little knowledge of the mold industry, then please just send us the samples or send us your drawings and let us know the total quantity of the products you want to make, such as 500,000 pieces or 1 million pieces, etc., so that we can choose the suitable steel and suitable cavities for your product. Okay, that's all for today. So please do send me all above information to quote. Otherwise, we are not able to quote. I hope this video can help you to get a tooling quote more easily. If you have any questions or inquiries, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can check my full contact details in below description box. Thanks for watching, and I see you next time. Bye.